Hi everyone, today's video is dedicated to our new tool, AI Summarizer. On our website, you can access it as a standalone app. Once you scroll down a little bit, that is actually the first tab over there, AI Summarizer. There is already a separate video dedicated to that, how to get started, the intro, the features, and how to get around them. This video we will show one more time how to use it on the desktop, and then we will dive into the mobile version of that because I think that is super handy when you can use it on the go, when you can use it on your lecture at the university, for example, or during the presentation at work. So once you access the whole app, again, you do not need any subscriptions from ChatGPT whatsoever. You can see that it is divided into three parts, and you're going to see basically the same thing on the mobile version of that. So the left one is actually the text that we need to summarize. We can input it, either just pasting it, pasting the link, or uploading the file. Then we need to have all the settings in terms of, do we want it as a paragraph or bullet points. We can select the length or make the custom set word count, and here we can also input specific prompts, and if we need, for example, to summarize the key arguments and conclusions. A quick example, we can go to our text file. For example, here we can either download it and then upload the file, or just copy paste the text. In my case, I'm just going to copy paste the text, and I want it in the form of paragraph, for example, and then I want it custom, let's say 150 words. When it's done, we just click summarize, and we're gonna have our result to the right. As you can see here, you can either go ahead and copy the text that you have here, or download it and then save it for the future. Once we go to the mobile version, you can see basically the same thing. Firstly, we access our website. Again, that is super handy to scroll through all the apps that are out there. Also on the top, you can see there are sections with different topics like job search, content, and copyright, and super handy to use that. Once you find something you like, in our case, AI Summarizer, there is a separate page with all the features and videos to get to know it. After that, you can just open the app and see that the layout is pretty much similar to what we've seen on the desktop beforehand. We have our original text and summarized text and all the settings like paragraph formatting and word count. In my case here, I'm gonna just paste the link to the article that I want to work with. I want it to be pretty long, but in the form of bullet points. Then I click summarize, and under the summarize section, you can already see all the text. Here again, we can either copy the text or download it. Again, if you're not happy with the text that you've received so far, you can go back to the original text, change the settings, and then re-summarize it again. And it will take just a few moments once you receive the new version of the text. As you can see, again, works perfectly. You can again either copy the text or download it, or in case you're again not happy with that, re-summarize. I really hope this video has been very useful and easy to follow for you. In case you run into any problems, please contact our support team. They're always there to make your experience as smooth as possible. Thank you for watching. Have a